For me, the dancer is playing with the music. And originally, you have a music and you have a vibe. Whatever the vibe it is, it can be soul, rap, old school, new school. And it's how you're gonna control that basic rhythm and develop it in your body. It's a game between you and the music first. When you understand that, you understand how to control the different part of your body, your head, shoulder, chest, whatever. And more you control all that different part, more you're gonna have a special flavor when you mix it with the music. So after we talk about the last things is how to breathe inside of this. So you have the basic rhythm, you have your isolation control, and you have all your basic steps, how to groove with it, how to breathe with it. So we have what we call silence rhythm. It's like when you just take the 1, the 5, you go back to the 2, 4, 6, you just play with the attack and the layback of the music, like 1, 3, 5, 7, attack of the music, 2, 4, 6, 8, the lay down of the music. So if you can control this in your freestyle, trust me, that's the best technique.